What up, Breville community? I'm Kevin Curry, aka FitMenCook, and I've got an amazing recipe for you today. We are making an air-fried salmon Wellington inside of the Joule oven. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using the Breville Control Freak Home. We're gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, and then in goes the onion. Reduce that heat just a little bit, in goes the garlic. Now, another thing that I love to do is blooming the spices. And what that means is we're gonna add in some dried herbs right now, and we're gonna cook them up with the onion, with the garlic, and with a little bit of oil. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna make it super fragrant. And then we're gonna make a roux. So instead of using some flour, we're gonna be using some cornstarch or some arrowroot. The cool thing about this also is that the cornstarch or arrowroot acts as a thickener whenever we add in some liquid. In goes a little bit of chicken stock. In goes some light coconut milk. I'm gonna reduce that heat just a little bit, and look at how creamy this is. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of queso. This is some Parmesan. And then in goes Popeye, AKA spinach. Boom. And just continue stirring. And what we want here is a nice, thick, almost like paste-like creamy spinach mixture, because that is going to be the coating on top of our delicious salmon hot pocket, AKA salmon Wellington. So I'm gonna pop this in the fridge, and then let's move on with our recipe. Let's go ahead and fire up our Joule oven, get that Breville Plus app, preheat it, wait for that beep. I love that sound. And I'm gonna walk over here and just press start. And now for the star of the dish, we have got beautiful salmon. 2 pieces for our salmon hot pockets. Now let's go ahead and prep it. So we're just gonna lightly do a little bit of salt. So hit it right now with some pepper. Then get some Dijon. Get that Dijon nice slathered on top. And then we're gonna set the salmon aside, and let's prep the puff pastry. Baking is not my strong point, but I'm telling you, this recipe is so easy. You're gonna want to lightly dust your surface. Okay, and do the little baker's pinch. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, you gotta put on the show when you're doing it, especially if people are at the house watching you. Put on some war wounds a little bit. Make it seem like you're really in there. Okay, dust it, and now all you gotta do is just roll it out. Flip it over, and I continue to do this until it's large enough to slice into 2. And just right there down the middle, easy. I'm telling you, don't overthink this. This recipe looks much harder than what it really is. That's why, again, get the war wounds on you. You want people to be impressed with you even more. Okay, and now with our pastry dough ready to go, let me go grab our filling. And this is just the texture that we want. Look at that. It's very cold and it's compact, almost like a paste. We're gonna take our first piece of salmon. We're gonna put it right here. You don't wanna put it directly in the middle, but maybe just offset the middle like this. So it's enough to fold over. Keep it right there in that position. Now it's marked. You know exactly where to put it. And then we're gonna just put some egg wash around the edges of it. All right, get our filling. Oh yeah, lather that right on top. Fold that over now. Perfect. Trim the edges. This is looking professional grade, right? Aren't you proud of yourself already for getting this far? I'm proud of you. Thank you for rocking with us. Then use our fork, and we're gonna make little indentures right here. We're gonna score this really lightly. You wanna be careful not to cut all the way through at all. And then a little bit more egg wash on top. That nice golden brown color whenever we put it into the Joule oven. This is the Breville Plus kitchen, so just get some flake sea salt if you have it. Just lightly sprinkle right there on top. And then we're gonna place this on our roasting tray and do the exact same thing for the other piece of salmon. And then into the Joule oven it goes. Make sure it's set on rack 6, place it in the oven, press start, 20 minutes. Hey, come here. Listen for that beep halfway through to rotate that, okay? The most beautiful sound in your kitchen. Oh my gosh. Is that not perfection? Come on, this is restaurant quality. Made right here in your Breville Joule. Just that easy, folks. Now, for the most important part, let's cut it open. Oh, oh, oh. You're welcome, says the Joule oven. You're welcome. That looks wonderful. Just that easy, folks, I'm telling you. If you want more dope recipes just like this air-fried salmon Wellington, pop open that Breville Plus app, and there's a ton right there. All right, until next time, keep it healthy, but of course, never ever boring. Peace!